In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check Valorant Store on Android. First, I want you to head into your browser, and then here you will see this search bar. I want you to type in Valorant Store as per indicated in my screen. Here you will see the valorantstrike.com. I want you to click that site, since this site has the updated or most recent purchases or new featured guns in Valorant or different items that you can choose from. For example, once I click this, it will show a description and also the image of the product of this new gun. You can also browse some of the guns here or skins, and you can also search that here by clicking this three-lined icon and then typing in the search bar. You can also choose here the skins by type, collections, and also the store history. And that's it. That's how you can check Valorant Store on Android, and thank you for listening.